on a national adventure. Alison, Andrew, Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe. We find ourselves in BlueRidge, Georgia this week.
Mama!
We're staying at this incredible tree house that overlooks a vineyard, Bear Claw Vineyard. So the girls are just running through the vineyards. It's incredible. We're the only ones here, so it's like our private oasis. And we're in a tree house this week. It's really, really cool. The views are phenomenal, and you can't beat this with the vineyard and the creek real close by, so we're gonna have an awesome time here. Let's get this grill going.
Got it.
There's a very special sauce called Speedy sauce. It's really specific to the area I grew up in. And so yeah, it's awesome on shish kebabs.
Hi.
What do you think of this place?
I think it's amazing. I can't wait to have dinner.
So I've got the grill going and everybody's just kind of relaxing it. The treehouse is on this hill that overlooks the vineyard, and they've utilized these trees that is propping up the treehouse itself. There must be like six actual trees that the house sort of encompasses. Those look like they turned out perfect. Dinner's ready!
It smells good.
Here, cheers!
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Cheers! It's pretty magical just alongside the creek to see fireflies lighting up, sparkling. Those are fireflies. Can you see them?
Fireflies!
Fireflies, that's right.
Our lights! Look at those lights in our lights! Oh, I see one! I saw one right there. Come on! These are pretty cool.
Fireflies.
I've never seen them in our old house.
This morning was the first time in I don't even know how long that I was actually able to wake up before the kids, take a shower, and get ready a little bit before they all woke up. So I'm pretty slowly waking up now. Good morning.
Carolyn is so funny with her funny faces. Show mommy one of them. Behind you.
Train ride planned for today, which should be incredible. We're gonna take it all the way up the mountain and see what we see. For now, the kids are waking up, we're having breakfast, getting ready, saying goodbye to our time here at the treehouse.
All right, it's been fun.
You guys ready to go?
Yeah!
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe as we head onto the scenic railroad here in the Blue Ridge Mountains.